Hello everyone, this is James with HowToCast 365. Today we're going over how to send an email in your Gmail account. First, you're going to want to start off in Gmail, as you can see here. If you don't know how to get here or create an account, please listen and watch my video on how to create a Gmail account. So first, you're going to click on the Compose button in the top left corner. Now you're going to address it to whoever or whichever email you want to send it to. For this email, I'm going to send it to myself. Next, fill out the subject line. This is just whatever this email is about. Next, put in the contents of the email which you wish to send. From here you have a couple different options. I'll go ahead and show you a couple of the text features. This is boldening the font, italicizing it, underlining it, changing the font color, etc. Here you can attach a file, create a hyperlink. I use this quite often. So if you just click on a word like website, hit this hyperlink button, you can go ahead and put in whichever URL you'd like to use. I'll use youtube.com. Now if you were to click that word website, it would take you to youtube.com. Next, here are some emojis. I'll do a guy with glasses, and here are a couple other features that I encourage you to explore if you haven't already done so. Now to send it, you just click the blue send button. First, I'll go ahead and show you how to create a draft. If you just click out of the email and go to your drafts, you'll see that it is automatically saved and will not be deleted until you either send it or you click the trash can icon. Now since I sent it to myself, you'll see that it popped up in my inbox, and that's how you send an email in your Gmail account. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something from it. If you did, please hit the subscribe button down below and maybe drop a like as well. Thanks so much guys. Stay tuned for more videos. See you next time.